Hi, everybody. Mike Costa with you once again on GoAztecs.com. There are great fundraisers throughout the year for San Diego State University, and then there are great fundraisers for the Aztecs. And tonight, certainly one of those cases. A lot of the athletic greats coming back to show their support for the Red and Black. Let's go inside and check out a night with the Aztecs. All right, so what are you bidding on tonight?
You know what? I actually just bid on some swim lessons for my daughter. She's 6. She has a lot of energy. Her teacher told us we need to get something for her to do other than, just sit at home and homework. So
right.
I feel like the swim lesson is really going to come in handy in the Falk household.
All right, you're making the big NFL money now. What are you bidding on tonight?
I got my eye on the one thing I can't. It's the raffle ticket for the races. I'm a big race guy, so the 4 tickets to the Del Mar races.
There is a lot of big ticket items here tonight. You rolling out that bankroll and bidding on some stuff?
I'm thinking about it. I got my eye on a couple things. I can't obviously tell you what they are, but seriously, it's going to a great cause. That's why we're all here, to support the San Diego State Aztecs, the foundation, and what we're trying to build for now into the future.
Jeff, from the athletic director's standpoint, how important is a night like this, are nights like this for the Aztecs?
Well, they're important for a lot of reasons, Mike. Number one, obviously, we're trying to raise a lot of money to cover scholarship costs that are ever increasing for us. That's number one. But I think as important is the fellowship. Look at the spirit and the feeling that's around this room tonight, with over 600 people here that are either alums or friends or in some way care about San Diego State, and that's really fun for all of us.
What does it feel like when you're able to come back and help your alma mater?
Well, you don't understand these type of things. The people that are behind the scenes that really help to give and make the program what it is. So I'm just coming back to say thank you to the fans, thank you to a lot of the alum, and thank you to a lot of our sponsors and donations that have been given over the years. Please keep giving. It does matter, no matter how big, how small. It means a lot to the school, to the athletes, and to the alum like myself.
I think once you graduate, that's kind of when you realize that you are a part of something special. As far as the San Diego community is concerned, there's a lot of business leaders in this community, and there's a lot of alumni from San Diego State that are now leaders in the community. So you go from playing on the field to joining that group.
How great does it feel to be able to give back to your school in this way?
It's good, man. It's good. San Diego State, they've given me the opportunity to move on to the NFL and have everything that I have, playing here, playing in front of these fans, them supporting me, believing in me, giving me an opportunity to attend school here. That was the start of the whole Marshall Faulk, the football player, and I'm thankful for that.
Well, another night with the Aztecs about to be put to bed. The greats of the greats as far as Aztec athletics coming back to San Diego State tonight, all for a good cause, all to raise money for Aztec athletics. I'm Mike Costa. Thanks again for watching on GoAztecs.com.